Welcome you all. I'm Jyoti Bakshani, owner of Healing Touch World. Let me brief you about what does Healing Touch World do. Healing Touch World is a company which provides healing using various different healing modalities, which are not only easy to use, but they are very beneficial also. We conduct various courses and workshops also for the same. Healing Touch World is not only a healing center, but helps people to know what their inner self is by understanding their innate personality, their life purpose, and goal towards their journey in this life. And our tagline is know and heal yourself, your life at your fingertips. So, under this umbrella of Healing Touch World, we have a group called Golden Sunrise. This group was formed during lockdown to help people with giving distance Reiki healing during this pandemic. But now it's grown up with many healers, and many healing sessions and trainings are given for free. It's a group with healers and the healies, growing and helping each other and healing. A divine group with all divine people. So I've got this opportunity to connect you all to all the healers and the healing of this group. So let's today connect with one of our healer member of the Golden Sunrise Group. We have with us today Sunanda Kesavdas. So let's connect today with one of our healer member of Golden Sunrise Group. We have with us today Sunanda Kesavdas. Let me give you a brief introduction about Sunanda. Sunanda and me connected during fingerprint analysis course, and there we realized we had some connection of our past life with us. Talking about Sunanda, she's a fingerprint interpreter, she's a psychologist, a Reiki healer, and a Mandela therapist. So, Sunanda ji, I would like to, share about brief about your journey, how your journey has been progressed and brought you into becoming a healer. We would like you to share some of your experiences, how it, you came into becoming a healer and then how you got connected to Golden Sunrise. So if you could share some of your experiences.
Sure, Jyoti. Thank you, first of all, for inviting me for this session and for this meeting. It has been a wonderful journey together. And namaskaram to all your viewers, and hope all of you are having a great day today. My journey into healing started in 2020 during the lockdown period, actually. लेकिन उससे पहले it wasn't anything connected to healing. I was in information technology for almost 20 years by the time. I was in content development, training, and all those things. So it happened that due to some personal experiences, I had to enter psychotherapy as part of my healing journey. And that connected me to this whole concept of healing and different modalities of healing. I had only heard about many things like Reiki and all, but once I started my own healing journey, these things opened up for me. And today I have, as you already mentioned, all these things I've been able to study and implement with my clients as well.
So how did fingerprints come to you? Was it to know yourself more, or it was just how did you leaving a information technology and totally coming into a different field? How was it?
As part of my therapy journey, only fingerprints interpretation was introduced to me because the psychologist whom I work with, she uses, her name is Jasna Shivashankar, she uses fingerprints interpretation to analyze a person's innate intelligence and where the challenges have arisen and why this person is in challenge and what are the remedies and therapies that can be provided for them. So she, as part of my therapy, she told me to learn fingerprints interpretation, and that is how I learned it, and I started implementing it. All right. Yeah.
So how did you came into? I would like you to share about how you connected to Golden Sunrise Group and your experiences, because you have attended many of our sessions conducted by many of our members including me, and you yourself have conducted 1 or 2 sessions over there. So. Yeah. Would like you to share your experiences with Golden Sunrise, how you came into Golden Sunrise and what you learned and what you gave.
So Golden Sunrise was through you, Jyoti, because we connected, I think when the third batch of fingerprints interpretation was going. By the time I had started taking up some of the sessions to train people, and you were one of the students at the time. So in this life, our journey started like that as student and trainer. And you introduced me into Golden Sunrise Group. And I think one of the first things we attended was a session by you for some, I think it was a breathing techniques healing that you were teaching us or making it part of our lives. So I entered like that. And I also, yes, as you said, I have also offered my knowledge here and there, and we've had some sessions. And I had the opportunity to learn from a lot of people in that group. It's a wonderful group full of healers. And the name is so beautiful, Golden Sunrise. So yeah, that was my journey to Golden Sunrise.
So I would like to know, since you have been a part of this journey a long time, since we have been here in this group, what are your expectations more from this group, and what is the future you are looking in? What do you want more from this group, or what you can give?
Yeah.
All those both.
I joined this group, I think 3 years back, 2022 or 2021. I don't remember the time, but it's been 3 or 4 years, and I've seen so many people really grow in your group, and you've given so many opportunities and a platform for people to present their learnings and all that. And many have become experts now. So definitely there is opportunity for more people to join in and take in the knowledge that this group gives and become experts and take that knowledge out to society. That is the most important part. कि लोग दुनिया में जा रहे हैं और इस चीज को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. So people generally join as someone who requires healing, then they become healers and they take it out of the world. And so many have created so many platforms themselves and more people are connecting. So it has been wonderful growth that I have witnessed as somebody who joined 3-4 years back. So I hope to continue to contribute to the growth of Golden Sunrise and to grow my skill set also, and to take out my skill set to move people through Golden Sunrise as well. That's where I see myself as a contributor as well as someone who takes out knowledge to the rest of the world. That is how I'm seeing it.
So it's really nice talking. Could you specify more and elaborate on what issues did you face and how it, experiences brought you into it, so that it will help our viewers also to get more insights into it?
Yes, definitely. See, I was starting to face a lot of health issues, especially after the birth of my younger child. And then there were some financial issues happening. And interpersonal issues हो रहे थे, family के अंदर हो रहे थे. So a lot of things were happening, and I was thinking, a basic question that I had in my mind was, ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this happening to me? तो वहां से फिर वो journey शुरू हुई, and I connected to, in fact, I first connected to Sadhguru because इतना वो बोलते हैं ना कि जब एक आपको कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा होता है, आपके अंदर से एक चीख निकलती है, you have a scream coming out of you. What am I doing here?
से I me तक आ जाते हो, then you I have to work on myself.
So वो उस टाइम पे गुरु आपके पास आता है. So Sadhguru came to me, and then I started doing his practices, and then it gave me a lot of settled insight. And then again, but the issues were not going. It was not that the issues were going, and the question was still there. And then it was starting to affect me physically, mentally. And then I reached out to my psychologist, and that is how the journey starts. So I am sure आपके जितने भी viewers हैं, a lot of us are going through that moment in time जहाँ चीख निकल रही, आत्मा से चीख निकल रही है, why this is happening to me? Why me? Not even why this is happening to me, मैं ही क्यों? Because हम में से बहुत लोग होते हैं जिनको हमने कुछ ऐसा किया नहीं है अभी इस लाइफ में, किसी को कष्ट नहीं दिया, किसी को बुरा नहीं बोला, और हमारे साथ इतना कष्ट हो रहा है हमारे लाइफ में. You feel like somebody is squeezing you out completely. So उस टाइम पे डेफिनेटली कोई ना कोई होता है जो वो एक, एक्चुअली मैंने रियलाइज किया है कि वो एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव पॉइंट होता है हमारे लाइफ में. You are literally being burned, and somebody will come and pour water on that, and a new you will come out. It's an opportunity, and this is what I want to tell your viewers also. Ki if you're seeing this and you're feeling you're connecting to this, it's an opportunity for you to connect to the healers. So definitely reach out to healers. Jyoti is there. All of us in Golden Sunrise are there. So definitely reach out to us.
So fingerprints really help you to explore yourself more, understand that me, why me, this is me. So I am what I am. That's what it gave you.
Yes, because fingerprints, okay, now we'll talk a little about fingerprints. So when we say that individuals are all unique, we are all unique. We look like humans, yes, we all have body and face and arms and legs. But hamari journey, all the journeys are different. Even if, all of us go through school and most of us don't like school also, but in that school also, each of us is having a different learning journey. It is not the same journey. We are not learning in the same way. घरेलू प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, ऊपर से लगता है कि सेम है, बट एक्चुअली अंदर में उसके अपने फीचर्स होते हैं. Even if you're doing well in your profession, you take 10 IT professionals who are doing well, but that the way it is going nicely for them is also different. Everybody is having a different experience. So, and fingerprints का सबसे पहला जो फीचर होता है कि वो सारे यूनिक होते हैं. Even your 10 fingerprints don't match each other. So
Yeah, that's why they ask for Aadhaar or forensic science. They also have preferred this because each person is unique.
Exactly.
So you know came to know about your uniqueness.
Yes. So I mean, reconnected to my uniqueness. क्योंकि सोसाइटी में क्या होता है कि हम इतने उनके जो स्टोरीज होते हैं सोसाइटी में, लड़कियों को ऐसा होना चाहिए, this is what your life is, you go to school, go to college, get a job, get married, have kids. तो ये जो कॉमन जो स्टोरीज होती हैं, so भी हम कहीं ना कहीं हम अपने आप को we start forgetting कि हम क्या, like when I was small I used to write a lot, I used to write a lot of poems and stories, and over time पता नहीं वो सब कहाँ खो गया, खो जाते हैं हम. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बहुत अच्छा फोटोग्राफी कर रहे हैं, फिल्म मेकर्स होते हैं, and then life takes you to corporate and this and that, and you start losing yourself. It literally feels like you're losing yourself. So fingerprints really tells you your what is your innate, like what is your blueprint for this life. It tells you ki how you function, what is high in you, what is a little low in you. Maybe you're more of a person who has a lot of passion, you have a lot of desire, but desire, how to balance your desire with knowledge and doing the right things, how to transform yourself. Like maybe for some people transformation will come through learning, for some people it is by doing things, some people it is going out into society. So for each person it is so different, and it told me that story and I was so relieved basically. That sense of self that I was losing, I got it back.
Yeah, I remember you telling your stories, like how in childhood you used to behave and what comments you used to get, and got a feeling of all many things. But when you did fingerprint analysis, you understood your pattern. Okay, how I am, why I am different from others.
Yeah.
Or else it was troubling you that time.
Yes. Because I was not able to think in terms of what everybody else was thinking. So I was like, वो बोलते हैं ना, black sheep बोलते हैं कि सारे सफेद जो sheep होते हैं उनमें काला sheep होता है. That is not desirable क्योंकि वो उसके ऊन का कुछ कर नहीं सकते, तो इसीलिए they don't like it. It's very difficult to dye. कलर लगाना difficult होता है. तो मैं वैसे थी. So सब अगर क्लास में 10 बच्चे हैं तो 9 बच्चे तो आराम से स्कूल जा रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, होमवर्क कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मुझे उसमें कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. मुझे इंटरेस्ट होता था कि जब वो बोलते थे ना प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ या कोई रिपोर्ट बनाओ, इन्वेस्टिगेट करो, ये सारी चीजों में मुझे बड़ा मजा आता था. सो बेसिकली फिंगरप्रिंट्स टोल्ड मी दैट आई हैव एन आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग एरिया. सो आई कैन नॉट बी पुट इनटू बॉक्सेस. अगर आप मुझसे कहोगे कि तुम लड़की हो इसीलिए ऐसा करो तो मुझे बड़ा गुस्सा आएगा. That is not acceptable to me. Well, I don't think of things in terms of gender. Rather, I can also do it. मेरा ऐसे ही चलता था. So so when I got to know कि so the labels I got were a difficult child, not a good learner, उस तरह के बहुत सारे labels लगने लगे थे. Difficult person to work with, and because जो लोग उस तरह के नहीं होते, जिनको हम कॉन्फॉर्मिस्ट कहते हैं, जो सोसाइटी के रूल्स के साथ चलते हैं, उनके लिए मेरे जैसा कोई बंदा या बंदी बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है डील करने के लिए. उनको नहीं समझ आ रहा और मुझे ये नहीं समझ आ रहा. तो इट्स नॉट, फिंगरप्रिंट्स डिड नॉट जस्ट टेल मी कि व्हाई आई एम लाइक दिस, इट आल्सो टोल्ड मी व्हाई अदर्स आर लाइक दैट. सो फ्रिक्शन कम हो गया. दुनिया के साथ जो हमारा फ्रिक्शन होता है, अपने खुद के साथ जो, इन लेबल्स के साथ जो फ्रिक्शन होता है, वो सारे कम हो गए. एंड आई केम टू नो अबाउट माई कैपेसिटीज, हाउ माई इंटेलिजेंस इज शेप्ड, where I can use it. Like, I am a reformist, which means I can bring change to people's perspective. मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस को ही बाहर लेके आती हूँ. तो जो थेरेपी के मेरे एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए, तो मैंने साइकोलॉजी पढ़ी, मैंने बहुत सारे थेरेपी मोडालिटीज किए, और आई एम नाउ गिविंग इट बैक टू सोसाइटी. ये भी मेरे फिंगरप्रिंट्स में था कि मैं ऐसे ही फंक्शन करूँ, क्योंकि ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जिनको एक्सपीरियंस करके कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. उनको हम कलेक्टिव पीपल कहते हैं, उनके पैटर्न्स को हम लूप्स कहते हैं, जो किसी को देखकर भी मॉडल कर सकते हैं कि अगर वो थेरेपी ऐसा करते हैं तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. और कुछ लोग होते हैं जो ये जो नॉलेज है, थेरेपी का नॉलेज है, जो शास्त्र है, जो साइंस है, उसका जो एकदम रूट होता है, उसको मेंटेन करते हैं, उनको हम आर्ट्स कहते हैं. सो इट रियली ओपनड अप so much, and it made me peaceful with people today. Even ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे लोगों पे irritation नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं है. Like couple of days back a neighbor came and talked about मैं आपकी गाड़ी ऐसे पार्क है तो ये वो, तो मुझे उसमें irritation हुआ था. But I understood that person is so much in challenge himself, you know. इतना प्रेशर में वो आदमी है. So I can now see that perspective. पहले जो में भी उतना नहीं था, but अब है. तो थोड़ा पेशेंस आ गया है, थोड़ा एक लेवल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ गई है, एक्सेप्टेंस आ गया है. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट, इट डिड नॉट गिव मी इनसाइट जस्ट अबाउट मी, but it has made it easier to interact with people.
Yeah.
Around. Yeah.
I know. I've like, you know, we were there in the third batch of fingerprint analysis together, and you had picked up things so fast, and like, you know, in fact, you were taking some of the sessions and you did it very nicely. It was like, I had seen you, like, you know, that time I knew only as a fingerprint. Then when you joined this Golden Sunrise group, and even the healing modalities, whichever we used to take, you would pick up very fast everything. And like and sudden I saw that twist, like, you know, a person from an information going into healing modalities, healing, guiding, improving our intuition, which is actually now you have connected to your life path.
Yes.
So,
and I will have to thank you for that, because the first time we actually connected was not through Golden Sunrise also. I had actually connected with you for a Kundali reading actually.
Yeah, I
अभी मुझे
remember
याद
that.
आया कि
Yeah.
it was more of I wanted to do the Kundali reading from you, the Jyotish reading from you, and you had told me a lot of things at the time, and then you said that you were doing some, like you had now moved to, you know, connecting it to fingerprints and all that. उस वक्त हम उस तरह का एक formal relationship था उस time पे. But then you asked me to join the group to start building my intuition. You said that because I have more of Rahu, and that is very active for me, so I should take up more of this type of work where my intuition is getting channeled properly. Otherwise, I'll just take on a lot of things will come which I don't know what it is. So you asked me to join the group, and that is how I joined the group. So it's been such a deep relationship now. I don't even remember till now, you know, that this was how we actually started off. And I definitely want to contribute more in this, you know, getting people to know more about innate and all that in Golden Sunrise as well as outside. Because it is important. We inside we know कि मैं सबसे अलग हूँ, मैं हूँ, but हम कर नहीं पाते. We cannot maintain it because इतनी सारी चीजें होती है ना. You are a brother, you're a father, you're a son, daughter, daughter-in-law. So many identities you are given. So where is me? मैं कौन हूँ? And only when मैं कौन हूँ थोड़ा clarify होता है, तो आपके जो Golden Sunrise group में जितने भी healers हैं, जितने लोग हैं, that healing becomes very fast. When you have a settlement inside you, ना अच्छा मैं ऐसा हूँ, this is why it is. आप जो भी healing करते हो, it is very fast. So when you talked about कि I was picking up things very fast, it was because एक तो मेरे innate में है कि जल्दी होगा, लेकिन by the time we were doing that healing sessions, ऑलरेडी मेरे अंदर एक सेटलमेंट हो गई थी ना कि यस ये मैं हूँ, मेरा इनेट ऐसा है.
एक्सेप्टेंस आ गया था, अपने आप का एक्सेप्टेंस. नहीं तो क्या दुनिया के एक्सेप्टेंस हम देख रहे थे. लाइक हाउ someone is telling you are this, you are trying to analyze and judge that, but now you know what is your true innate, what you are. So you are able to work on yourself, on your challenges, and
हाँ
you are able to
हाँ
give back to the society
Society
also.
also. तो ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है जो सुनने वाले हैं आपके दर्शक हैं. इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि पहले आप इफ यू नो कोई भी मोडालिटी हो, ये नहीं कि सिर्फ फिंगरप्रिंट्स है. अगर आपको लाइक ज्योति इज अ वंडरफुल एस्ट्रोलॉजर ऑल्सो, सो समबडी लाइक दैट, अगर आपको कोई बता सके कि आप इस तरह से बने हुए हैं, इसका यू आर लाइक दिस एंड दिस इज हाउ यू आर, सो ये आप हैं, अगर आपकी आइडेंटिटी एक्चुअल में ये है, वो नहीं है जो दुनिया बता रही है, आपके अंदर इतनी शांति हो जाती है कि चीजें बस घुस जाती है, कोई रेजिस्टेंस नहीं होता ना. नहीं तो हीलिंग एज अ थेरेपिस्ट ऑल्सो आई फाइंड की मेजोरिटी ऑफ द डिलेज इन हीलिंग हैपन बिकॉज resistance होता है. If I did not have this fingerprint system, I would not know where the resistance is, and I don't know how to overcome it. So as a therapist, it definitely helps to identify this person will have resistance here. So how to make them into acceptance mode for the therapy itself. So I know that people do, whether it is Reiki, everything, you have methods to identify and overcome resistance. But for me as a therapist, and I think for most therapists, having a tool like fingerprints just makes it very easy. It's easy to capture, easy to, I mean, आपको शास्त्र पता है, so easy to identify also.
Yeah, it becomes very easier also. Like, after fingerprint analysis, we know karke we all are so different, and it becomes easier to, because sometimes during the healing session, you get to hear like, I was not able to visualize anything. And someone is telling I visualized it very nicely. I could hear this, I could see this, this was happening. So now with that, whole process, now we get answers for everything. And in fact, when we do fingerprint analysis, it becomes very easier for us to, decide which healing modality, how will it will work best for them.
Yes.
So that has been a very handy tool for us after learning this. It had added more to our healing modalities. So
yes.
I think we'll add this also in Golden Sunrise for more people to learn this and explore this knowledge.
Yes, definitely. Because healers, to accelerate and to make it for, see, healers का काम ये नहीं होता है कि हम किसी को मदद करें, ऐसा नहीं होता है. हम किसी की जर्नी को फैसिलिटेट कर रहे हैं कि आप थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गए थे तो कम बैक टू योर रोड. बट जब हमें कोई रेफरेंस पॉइंट नहीं होता है कोई, तो इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रिंग देम बैक. लेकिन जब कुछ ऐसा है, फिंगरप्रिंट्स जैसा कुछ हमारे हाथ में है, तो हमारे पास पता है कि अच्छा, बिकॉज दिस इज, अगर आपके कामा एरिया में रेजिस्टेंस है, या फिर इवन एक्शन एरिया में, द मिडिल फिंगर रिप्रेजेंट्स एक्शन, तो यहाँ पे अगर आपका प्रिंट ऐसा है कि वहां पे बहुत, बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस आपने यू आर नॉट एबल टू फंक्शन, तो हम इसको रिलीज करने के लिए आपको रेमेडीज पहले देंगे. हीलिंग से पहले हम आपको रिलीज करेंगे, आपको ओपन बनाएंगे, and then that healing will be so fast, है ना. मतलब maybe not even 1 or 2 sessions you need. And एक healer के लिए satisfaction वो होता है कि that process has happened for the individual. That is more important for us, isn't it? Not the other things that come with it. But कोई अगर अपने आप को फिर से ढूंढ लेता है, वो जो उनके एक रिलीफ होता है उनके चेहरे पे, उनकी बॉडी में, दैट इज सो सैटिस्फाइंग फॉर अस. सो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज.
Yeah, I have seen many people transforming in front of my eyes. Like it's a wonderful experience for us also as a healers, and it really helps a lot. So we are like now planning to facilitate more learnings also and more trainings also to healers, so that what benefit you all have received, let it travel to more people around.
Yes.
So hoping you also continue with us for this journey, and
definitely we will definitely do more things, and we will bring out what we have, like what Golden Sunrise is able to provide. We will bring it out more to the world. That is also part of our journey. So we will do it, and I'm so happy that we are working together, and we have a wonderful group. We have a wonderful group that we are working together, and you have done a wonderful job in nurturing people. And it's such an open group. You have not restricted anything. You have not ever stopped anybody from even self-promotion. क्योंकि majority groups जो होती हैं उसमें वो बोलते हैं कि अपने आप को promote मत कीजिए, ये वो. लेकिन that is because आपका nature, आपका innate is very open.
Yeah.
So because you have that openness and you are very connected to, you don't see things conditionally. So because you have that unconditional innate also, so you are able to leave it open. लेकिन जो लोग रिस्ट्रिक्शन रखते हैं, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि वो गलत हैं, वो अपने इनेट के हिसाब से, अपने इंटेलिजेंस के हिसाब से काम कर रहे हैं, विच इज वाई दे आर ऑल्सो सक्सेसफुल एंड यू आर ऑल्सो सक्सेसफुल. सो सिंपल एक लाइन में अगर बोलना है, इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन योर इनेट फुल पोटेंशियल पे, एवरीथिंग इज सक्सेस. जो भी आप डेफिनेशन देना चाहें, आप सक्सेसफुल रहते हैं.
So we would like more people to know their innate so that, you know, they are connected to their life purpose for what they have come on this earth. And it really help you to get proper moksha also in your life.
Yes. And see, that line is also your innate.
Unconditional love.
Yeah. Okay.
I know it had given me also a lot of ease when I, you know, learned this fingerprints and knowing my patterns. Like I was really very excited. Like, and that was the thing. Like I realized, okay, this is the knowledge which has to spread to everywhere.
Yes. And so it is wonderful, isn't it? When you know, जो एक पीस आपके अंदर आ जाता है ना कि मैं ये हूँ, या फिर मेरे में ये ये भी नहीं जानना कि मैं क्या हूँ, मेरे अंदर में ये सारे पोटेंशियल हैं, या ये जानना कि मेरे चैलेंज कहाँ से आते हैं, क्यों आते हैं. It makes people very enthusiastic to move forward. जब when you don't know कहाँ से आते हैं ना, then you don't know why somebody is telling, कोई healer बोल रहा है ये करो, या therapist बोल रहा है वो करो. लेकिन जब मुझे पता है कि ये क्यों बोल रहे हैं मुझे और कहाँ पे ब्लॉकेज है, उसको मैं क्यों निकाल रहा हूँ, people just do it. I'm not saying there is 100% frictionless, ऐसा नहीं होता है. उसमें भी इनेट की वजह से बहुत डिफिकल्ट लोग क्लाइंट्स होते हैं. बट मुझे एज अ थेरेपिस्ट आई हैव दिस टूल या वेपन या कुछ भी आप कह लो, मेरे हाथ में एक अस्त्र है, एक शस्त्र है, जिससे मैं वो रेजिस्टेंस के अराउंड काम करूं या उसके थ्रू काम करूं या उसको तोड़ ही दूं, वो सब मुझे पता है. डेफिनेटली फॉर ऑल हीलर्स दिस इज वैल्यूएबल नॉलेज. इट एनहांसेस देयर कैपेसिटीज. We should definitely think about. Yeah,
because what I have observed is that when your time comes, actually, you know, you really get connected to these things.
Yes.
You know, you will automatically get a therapist, and you will automatically get to know your fingerprints. You will connect to that healer to get your healing done. You will automatically learn that therapist. Even for Mokshapatam also, which I started this.
Yes.
In that also, I have seen people, like, you know, when the need has come, that time only you connect. Even if you try before or after, you will get some of the hurdles or something like, ठीक है, आज time नहीं है, आज ये हो जाएगा, okay, this has come up. Things won't work out. But when the time is right, things automatically falls in place and you get, you know, the doors open for you. But then you have to start preparing also, and, you know, you have to be open to the universe and I'm ready to accept it. Opportunities come, but you should be ready to accept it. That door you should keep open.
इसके बहुत सारे deeper aspects
हैं. Trust universe होना चाहिए.
हाँ, इसके भी बहुत सारे डीपर एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. जैसे एक तो होता है कि हमने भी देखा है कुछ लोग जस्ट जुड़ते हैं फॉर अ रीडिंग, दे नेवर कम बैक, क्योंकि उनका कर्म वहां तक ही उन्हें पहुंचाया कि जान लो कि ऐसा कुछ है, या तो ज्योतिष है या फिंगरप्रिंट्स है या मोक्षपतम है. दे जस्ट कम फॉर दैट वन सेशन एंड दैट्स इट, बिकॉज दैट कर्म इज स्टिल वर्किंग आउट. इसके आगे बढ़ने का भी टाइम नहीं आया. कुछ लोगों का टाइम इंटरवेंशन, जो समय का इंटरवेंशन होता है, समय आपको ले आता है, उसके भी डीपर एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. इट कैन बी अ वेरी टफ कनेक्शन. लाइक टाइम डज नॉट हैव इमोशन और कुछ नहीं, टाइम इज टाइम. तो इस पर्सन का टाइम हो गया तो वो बहुत क्रंच के साथ भी पहुंच जाएगा, इतना उसका लाइफ इतना ये हो जाएगा कि दे हैव टू कम. So that is called time intervention, समय का intervention. ये तब होता है जब इंसान इतना unaware होता है. Like I was very unaware of all these things. So मैं इस दिशा में मैं जा ही नहीं रही थी. तो समय ने पकड़ के उसको ऐसा डाला. तो जब समय डालता है तो बहुत बॉडी में और फिर लाइफ में भी बहुत उथल पुथल होती है. And some people, because they have already started working on their awareness, so they will come to you not because of time or because of karma. They come because, yes, karma in the sense that they have done the work to come to you, to know. So that is actually a better, in the sense, a softer way to come. कि मैं अपने अवेयरनेस के साथ आ रहा हूँ. बट ऑफ कोर्स एवरीबडी हैज देयर ओन जर्नी, तो सब अपने अपने तरीके से ही पहुंचेंगे.
Nature always guides you,
हाँ,
like, nature will start giving you signals. Your body will
yes,
start giving you
very
signals.
soon.
Nature will start giving, environment will start giving you signals. Even like I've seen the people around you, sometimes you get signs from them itself, whether you like
Yeah,
them,
yeah.
don't like them, but they will tell you a point which is really needed for you.
Yeah, yeah,
जैसे
yeah.
गुस्से में बोला या चिढ़ के बोला, but वो point was very important for me.
हाँ, लेकिन
So, but
वही
you
है
should
ना.
be in a phase to catch that point and move
हाँ,
ahead. And
see,
if you do it at any of these phases, na, things becomes little easier.
easier.
Otherwise, as you said, के time will push you and remake you.
या लेकिन वही है ना कि हमारे इनेट में अगर सब धूल मिट्टी जमा हुआ है, तो जब अगर आप मुझे बोलते 6 साल पहले, लाइक इवन इन 2019, इफ यू हैड टोल्ड मी, या इफ जसना हैड टोल्ड मी दैट देयर इज समथिंग लाइक दिस, मेरे इतना धूल मिट्टी चला हुआ था कि आई वुड हैव थॉट कि व्हाई आर दे कमिंग एंड टेलिंग मी लाइक आई हैव सम मेंटल इलनेस. मेरा दिमाग वैसे चलता ना, तो रेजिस्टेंस आता था. तो मेरे जैसे इनेट के लिए टाइम इंटरवेंशन होता है, तो आपके जैसे इनेट के लिए, बिकॉज यू आर ओपन ऑलरेडी, यू विल वर्क एंड यू विल हैव दैट अवेयरनेस कि सो मेनी थिंग्स आर पॉसिबल, सो यू विल रीच आउट. आपके लिए बस इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ फिनिशिंग योर कर्मा एंड कमिंग. So it is again dependent on the innate. Many factors are there. So many deep factors are there. So healers can go through, in fingerprints, you can go through so many layers. You get so many layers of information as to why, because everything is not happening just because of this life. It can be happening because of many lives. It can be happening because of your lineage. And lineage, not necessarily family lineage. जो आपका जो संप्रदाय है वो क्या है? And we have seen so many people having so many issues because they have lost connection with their root, or they have lost connection with their lineage. So when we have put them, like when we have given them the suggestion to go back and connect, the relief, I am one of them. The relief of connecting back is like, आपकी body settle होती है, आपका mind settle होता है. It's like your आत्मा का जो होता है ना, वो एक settlement हो जाता है. It's okay. It's that. And I will tell you why this might be a better modality, better technique to learn, is because even if you don't go through the full depth of it, you can do this, in a shorter time. Within weeks, you can learn this and you can start applying it. We give it in different levels, different depths हैं. तो आप जिस डेप्थ पे भी काम करोगे, चाहे आप लेवल 1 पे करो या लेवल 2 पे करो, या फिर आप पूरे शास्त्र को पढ़ने जाओ, बिकॉज ये शास्त्र आपके अंदर इतना घुस के आपको ही चेंज करने लगता है. एक पॉइंट पे ना, यू विल रियली बिकम गुड. डजंट मैटर आप किस लेवल पे स्टार्ट करें. सो वी हैव पीपल हु डिड लेवल 1 एंड दे वर प्रैक्टिस एंड दे सॉ सच अ डिफरेंस इन देयर क्लाइंट एंड देमसेल्व्स आल्सो. लेवल 2 पे और ज्यादा, and when they come to the deeper levels, it becomes more. But even if you take those 2 weeks, 3 weeks ka jo sessions, and you learn it, it really changes your own DNA, your own chakras, everything. It starts working on that.
You learn or you don't know, but at least know what know yourself, and करके which are the things which healing modalities which will help you, what are the things which you can do to improve your life.
Yes.
The challenges which you're going to face.
Yes.
है ना?
Yeah, not just for the therapist, but even for the general public, जो अपने आप से connect होना चाहते हैं. Just that connection is like opening up so many things for you. And some people come back, they're so curious to know. They come back, you do the remedy, and they'll come back to say, अभी आगे क्या करना है. Because I experienced that कि remedy किया और वो मतलब इतना उनको अच्छा महसूस होने लगता है, उनका nervous system settle होता है, और ये सब फिजियोलॉजी, साइकोलॉजी सब मिला के बना हुआ शास्त्र है. इसमें आपका नर्वस सिस्टम, आपके सेल्यूलर जो पॉइंट्स हैं, सब कुछ कवर्ड है इसमें. तो जो एज अ क्लाइंट जब हम आते हैं, तो इट रियली चेंजेस लॉट विद यू. आई विल नॉट से कि एक सेशन में, 2 सेशन में, आपका इनेट जैसा है वैसा
है उसके ऊपर,
लाइक इट कैन टेक इयर्स ऑल्सो. बट द पॉइंट इज कि आप आराम से फ्रिक्शनलेस लाइफ, किसी ना किसी पॉइंट पे आप यू आर गोइंग थ्रू लाइफ लाइक बोलते हैं ना, मक्खन के जैसा. लाइफ मक्खनी हो जाती है.
Sunanda, you have really given an opportunity to others also. I have seen you growing in this group, like learning new things and even sharing a lot of your knowledge and giving it to the group. So there has been a lot of nice give and take, and you have also been one of the Anthu member of our group. So I would really like to thank you for giving your time and sharing this wonderful experiences with you. And I would like to thank Universe also to giving me this opportunity to take your interview.
Thank you so much, Jyoti, and thank
Life
you.
prints won't change. Journey is different, but still this earth is round. So we'll keep meeting and be connected, and so that we keep this shining golden sunrise and let the trust and love for us keep growing. Okay. So thank you. Thanks a lot, Sunanda. And for all the viewers who are watching this, we have more healers coming up, and more healers will be sharing their experiences. Even the healies, just not the healers, healies will also be coming and sharing with this golden sunrise experiences. So be a part of this channel, like, subscribe, and share this channel. Thanks a lot, Sunanda, for being a part. Thank you.